Hey, how's your day going?
Hey, going well so far. How about yours?
Can you stand slightly closer to the table, please?
Of course. I'll stand next to the table now.
Can you tell me a bit about what you like in this room?
Certainly, the tall curtained windows are a great feature, letting in a lot of daylight which really brightens up the room.
Well, what do you like the most about it?
I really appreciate how much natural light they let in. It makes the whole room feel much more open and inviting.
Mixed reality lets you bring both embodied AI avatars and disembodied agents into the real world, creating more natural experiences for training, assistance, education, games, and more. And in this video, we'll show you how to set up a Convai-powered mixed reality experience in Unity 6 and build it for MetaQuest. So let's jump right in. First, we're going to start by creating a new Unity 6 project. Select the mixed reality template, which includes the core XR and mixed reality setup we need for this project. Now, simply give your project a name and create it. Once the project opens, simply head over to Assets, then Scenes, and open the sample scene. This mixed reality template includes a pre-configured XR origin and an object spawner setup, which we're going to be using in this workflow. Before continuing, ensure that the Convai Unity SDK has been integrated into your project. If you haven't done that already, do check out the tutorial linked in the description for the full setup. The setup covers importing the SDK, configuring your API key, creating the character, and setting up the required Convai components. We've already completed those steps and prepared the Convai character prefab. Now we'll focus on the mixed reality setup. Click on MR Interaction Setup and select XR Origin. In the Inspector tab, add the Convai Player component, which allows Convai to correctly reference the user as the player. For a custom mixed reality project, you can add this component to your own player game object. We'd like the Convai character to spawn at runtime. To do that, click on Object Spawner, and in the Inspector panel, remove the default object prefabs by updating this value to 0. Next, drag and drop the Convai character prefab into this field. When we place an object in mixed reality, the object spawner will create the Convai character at the selected position. This can be adapted to your own project simply by placing the character directly in the scene, using your own spawning system, or instantiating the Convai character prefab through a custom script. Since the character is spawning at runtime, we will add the transcript UI directly to the character prefab. So double-click on the character prefab, click on Assets, and search for Transcript UI Chat Worldspace. If you don't see any results, click on the eye icon, then click on All, and simply drag and drop it into your scene. Feel free to adjust the position and scale to your liking. Now that we've configured XR Origin, added the Convai character prefab to Object Spawner, and set up the Transcript UI, we can proceed with building the project. So simply click on File, then Build Profiles. Here, choose Android and click on Switch Platform. This should take a few minutes. The platform has switched now. A quick note, if you're using a dedicated MetaQuest build profile, choose that option instead of Android. Also, ensure that you're using the correct scene. In our case, it is the sample scene. Select your device. In our case, we'll be using a Quest 3. Create a new folder. Give your file a name and hit Save. And this is it. Let's take a look at the results. How does the room look from where you're standing?
From here, I really like how the room feels both spacious and cozy at the same time. The way the light comes in and hits different surfaces is quite pleasant.
So this was all about creating a mixed reality project in Unity with your Convai-powered AI characters. We hope you found it helpful. For integration issues, drop your queries at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent, fully interactive AI avatars, visit convai.com. Also, do check out our extensive documentation and wide range of tutorials. If you find these videos helpful, do consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and see y'all very soon.